10 tips on how you can get more surveys on Google Opinion Rewards. The first one will be enabling location services. It often sends surveys based on places you visited, so make sure location services are turned on for the app. You go to your phone settings, then location, and see if it's turned on. Also, the Google Opinion Rewards app also allow the Google Opinion Rewards app to access your location in the app's permission settings. You want to always provide accurate and honest responses. Google uses the information you provide in surveys to tailor future surveys to your profile. You can also visit popular locations such as retail stores, restaurants and cafes, movie theaters, airports, or public transit stations. You can respond to surveys quickly. They often have time limits, so if you respond quickly, you are prompted to get more surveys. You want to keep the app updated and use the app regularly. Those are straightforward. And also you want to update your profile information, so make sure all of your information is up to date, because the Google Opinion Rewards target specific ages, genders, and demographics in general. You want to travel to different locations or areas if that's a thing that you can do. It can also give you more surveys and make purchases and engage with Google services. That is also going to increase your chance of getting more surveys. And the last step will be just being patient, because it varies on your region, location, and other factors. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.